What's up guys, Pete here, and this weekend we are on the Kern River in Keysville, right near Lake Isabella. So we're on the south end, or the South Kern River, and this is our camp for the next 4 days. I'll just take a look at that. We got a few more friends coming in today and tonight. Yeah, my buddy Al's been coming up to this spot with his dad for many years, and he's got a good buddy that lives about 5 minutes from here, and he knows these trails really well. So that's the way you always want to explore an area, is with a local. So these guys know the trails really good, and brought the 500 this trip, and we're just going to do a little dual sport trail riding and camping, relaxing, enjoying this prime spot. If my phone stops beeping at me. Going for a quick cruise, but we got a lot of people, so it's this is what it's turned into. Some looks like kind of like double track. No, single track. Josh and Al they're ripping up there. I need to get warmed up still. This feels illegal. In Vegas, if you rode this close to town, they'd write you a ticket for dust. There's no shortage of dust here. I don't know why this is legal. Alright, so the end of day one, we didn't do too much riding today. It was mostly just like get to camp and chill, get set up. We went for about, I think it was like 10 miles of quick, easy single track. Went down to the bridge and hung out, and yeah, we got back to camp here, watched the moon come up, and now we are made some dinner. We're just gonna be chilling for the night, and we'll go out riding tomorrow. So Friday morning our ride started with zero warm-up and climbing straight up the mountain. We literally got like right into it. In all the chaos, I forgot to turn on the GoPro until our first big obstacle, so that's what you're seeing here. We had a few minor struggles, but we all got through it and pushed on the rest of the way up the mountain with the GoPro on this time. Oh fuck. I thought this was going to be like a easy dual sport ride. They're like, you gotta be street legal, plated, this and that. That's why I brought the 500. That's okay, it's capable. I am not quite yet. I need to stretch my lungs out. We haven't even warmed up yet. That was the warm up. It's cooling off quick as we gain elevation here. Holy shit. Jesus, this thing is so wheelie happy compared to my 300. We've only gone 1.48 miles. Look at that elevation we've gained. I'm hoping this new mic isn't so sensitive it's getting all my heavy breathing. I'm sure it is though. I've yet to master the lav mic. Oh, this is a nice change from what we were just doing. Super flowy, get some wind in our face. Cool terrain. Still climbing. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Oh no! Nice save.
Well, this will be fun. Might have to go back down there and reset. Oh fuck! You made it about a foot farther than me, but I fell backwards. This is gonna be fun. That wasn't pretty, but it did it.
It was better than the first time.
Fucking A. Fuck, he's having a hard time right there. Oh fuck, it's in the bush. I'm heading back down the trail to get Michael out of a bush. That's not the trail, man. Idiot. Take the back end over that way.
That's how it's gotta be done. It's halfway there. Good job, Al.
Okay. We got a little repair to do after Josh crashed on that hill. Ripped his rear fender off, just about. That took some time, but we're good now. think we had this much climbing left to do. But we're on top of the mountain. It's gotta be right up here though. Gotta remember to like look up and take a look around. It's freaking gorgeous up here. See, Justin made it to the top already. He's looking down. That's the view right there.
Hell yeah.
Nice. What am I behind now? Josh! On the recently repaired Trailside Repaired 500. Looks like his fender's holding up though. Right, we've met back up with the other half of the group. I don't know what we're doing right now at the moment. Oh, I guess we're waiting for Mark, birthday boy, to get ahead. Sign back there that called for some sort of closures on some trails, but not the one that we plan to go on, so I guess we're good. Yeah, now we're getting into some woods. Look at that. These guys 3 feet from each other. You guys got a photo shoot? Yeah, this is prime. Like, you get a bunch of fast riders together like this, like everyone's right up each other's ass. Oh, that ain't gonna work.
Just cut like halfway and we'll push the rest. Damn, Justin. Okay, Al, it's your turn.
So we found the reason for that sign.
We gotta do our own trail maintenance. Go.
Ooh. No worries. So we found a credit card in the trail back there, and then we found these guys, and they told us the trail's actually closed. They were cool about it though. They're like, we don't want to turn you around, but we kind of technically have to, so I understand. It's all good. Do some more single track. The rest are riding back to camp. They've had enough. So there's 5 of us now. fuck? Trail ended?
I just did some dumb shit.
Dude, this is like hiking with a motorcycle. What the fuck? What? Nice parking.
I just valet parking, bro.
What happened?
That's valet parking. That's real slow the whole house.
Well, we're heading back down the mountain now from where we were stopped there with Al and everybody. I opened my pocket, looked down, and realized my phone is not in my pocket anymore. When I opened the vents on my pants, I think I must have grabbed one of the pocket zippers instead of the vent zipper and zipped it down, which was like open. And luckily my wallet's still in there, but the phone is gone. So we're backtracking. All right, we are back at camp. So the lost phone situation, that wasn't even a situation. That was me forgetting that I left it back in the van before I even left. So yeah, we were looking all over for my phone, and yeah, it was back at the van the whole time. So we got back to camp, had some drinks, and I think we're gonna go out to some place to eat tonight because it's lots of friends' birthday parties, or birthdays rather. We had a good ride today, so we're gonna do some more tomorrow. And yeah, that's it.
Mark, come on, Mark, man. You got
all right, man. Birthday boy, where you at?
Hey, my birthday is Wednesday.
It don't matter. Tonight's your birthday. This is birthday party.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Woo!
Which one's mine?
Are we singing?
All of them. All of them.
Oh, wait, yeah, there's all three.
It's all three of you guys' birthday.
Pick a cake.
Everybody. Thanks, guys. This is awesome.
Hurry up, the shit's melting.
Oh, yeah.
Blow them shits out. We're not singing. Fuck that shit.
COVID.
Yeah.
COVID.
Woo!